Just do 3 at a time. That should be plenty. We'll see. We're just gonna do the front part or what? In front of the window?
For now, yeah.
We're gonna find some worms. Creepy crawlers. So what this is, it's mustard powder. 1/3 cup mustard powder with 1 gallon of water. We're gonna mix this up. We're gonna throw it on our lawn. And all the creepy crawlers are gonna come out of the ground. Then we're gonna scoop them up and eat. No, we're not gonna eat them. We're gonna kill them. We'll get rid of them. Yeah, I'm sure when we're children we'll eat them, but we're not children anymore. We're gonna make 3 batches. Alright. I'm gonna make 1 more batch, then we'll take them out one at a time. And after we get them in here, hopefully this is big enough. No, maybe not.
No.
We're going to put some salt and kill them for good. All right, here we go.
Hey.
I don't know if we're killing the grass while we're doing this or what. Nothing so far.
Well, you gotta wait.
Here's one.
Don't you see? This. See the baby, the baby, the baby.
There's one here too.
I did this.
Come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Ooh, that's a big one. Come here, you. They're not big, they're just fat.
Yesterday, the big ones like this. There's another one over there. It's over here.
What the heck? Oh, that's a little one. That's a really small one. What are we worried about that one for?
Because here's one. Because they get big and then they reproduce.
See, worms are funny. Worms, they don't need a partner to reproduce. They can do themselves and reproduce.
See the babies here too. And then this one too.
I got it.
Come on. We gotta give it this much. It's gonna eat it. It's crawling. There's the grandma and grandpa. There's the grandpa. Not yet. Ah!
That's a big one. Calm down. Where'd that other one go? Where did it go?
Ew.
Now. He went back in. You know what we're doing over here? Okay, guys. We gathered some worms. They gladly came and joined us. Not gladly, but they did. So over here is what we got. So we did 3 treatments in 3 different areas. And we've got, believe it or not, there's 60 worms or so in there. So that's not the end of it. While we were putting them in here, we were sprinkling salt, iodized salt. So just your regular Morton salt, and that kills them. So after you get the worms out of the ground into a bucket or something, then you just gotta sprinkle salt to kill them for good. So we've got a ways to go. We only did this section. So onward and upward. Stay tuned, guys. Hey, if you like this content, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. So if you want to see us mess up, I mean do well, subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching.